What's up, everyone? Another episode of Neals Next Door. Today we drove all the way out to Pine Mountain, Georgia, which is down by LaGrange, Georgia, so about an hour and a half from where we live. We are here at Wild Animal Safari. We're using this to kind of help kick off the holiday season as well. So pretty much what it is, there is like a zoo that you can walk around, feed some of the animals. And then there is an actual safari where you can either rent a van, you could rent a small SUV, you could drive your own car through, which we're definitely not going to do because we're driving a Telluride, or there's a bus that comes every single hour that you guys could go ride around. You purchase bags of foods and you can feed the animals. We've been here before. London kids were really young then. London had a great time feeding the animals. Now Cason's a little older, so he gets to experience it as well. So we're going to kind of do it. You guys are going to see all about it and kind of go from there. All right, let's do this. There's also different encounters that you guys could do. So there's like a sloth encounter. I think it's like $30 a person. There's also a reptile encounter as well that you can sign up for. So the actual walk around is not very large. They have tigers, hyenas, a liger they actually have, porcupines, a couple different variations of wild dogs. It's a nice place to kind of walk around as you wait for the shuttle because it is every hour. So you don't have to actually pay to rent a vehicle. You can drive your own vehicle, technically speaking, but if you've ever been through like Wild Safari at Six Flags, you know you enter at your own risk when you're driving with your own vehicle. But yeah, so it's a good place to kind of kill some time before you got to get on the shuttle that runs hourly. So the kids lost a bag of food to a giraffe. Yeah. Well, London lost her bag of food to the giraffe.